In this video, I'll show you how to sort by date in Microsoft Excel. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all guys, before we start, we need to make sure one thing, if our dates are already set on date or not. So for that, just hit right click, go to format cells, and you can see in the number section, my dates are already set on date. So you need to make sure this, and once you are sure about it, just select the date column, go to data tab at the top, and here in this section we need to look for the option sort, just like this. So open the sort option, select it on expand the selection and click on sort, and here we have the option for sort by. So we are going to choose the date option, and in the sort on option you can just leave it on cell values, and in the order section it is up to you. If you want to sort out the dates by newest to oldest, you can just click here, but I want to sort my dates from oldest to newest, so I'll just select this option, click on OK, and boom, you can see the dates are now sorted. So if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.